in response to a surge in digital arrests, where cybercriminals impersonate law enforcement officials to intimidate, blackmail, and extort victims. The central government has taken decisive action by collaborating with Microsoft to block over 1,000 Skype IDs used in these criminal activities. This crackdown aims to curb the abuse of digital platforms by malicious actors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Online fraudsters and cybercriminals often employ various tactics to deceive potential victims. One common approach involves calling individuals and falsely informing them that they are the intended recipients of a parcel containing illegal goods such as drugs, fake passports, or other contraband items. This creates a sense of panic and urgency, making the victim more susceptible to manipulation. In other cases, these criminals target the victim's relatives or friends, claiming that the victim has been implicated in a crime or involved in an accident and is currently in custody. This method is designed to exploit the concern and fear of loved ones, prompting them to take immediate action, such as paying a ransom or providing sensitive information. Cybercriminals often exploit the identities and images of police personnel to create a veneer of authenticity when targeting victims. These imposters typically demand money for a compromise and the disclosure of a fictitious case. The fraudulent scenarios they create are designed to instill fear and urgency, compelling victims to comply with their demands. In some instances, victims are subjected to a form of digital arrest, where they are coerced to remain visible over Skype or other video conferencing platforms until they meet the criminal's demands. This tactic serves to intensify the pressure on victims, making them feel continuously monitored and controlled. Victims of such incidents are strongly advised to file a complaint with the relevant authorities immediately. By doing so, they can help in the swift identification and blocking of more malicious accounts, thereby preventing further victimization and aiding in the broader effect to combat cybercrime. This initiative reflects a growing awareness and response to cyber threats, highlighting the importance of vigilance and prompt reporting in the digital age. The collaboration between the government and Microsoft underscores the necessity of joint efforts in addressing complex cybersecurity challenges. Let's look into today's headlines. Google integrates Gen AI features into its Android devices. During its recently concluded Google I/O 2024, the tech giant particularly highlighted the new artificial intelligence initiatives the company has taken and how it plans to integrate them within its Android platform. In a 19-minute long video shared by the company, Google revealed the benefits of AI processing within its online availability, reduced latency, and local processing at a zero extra cost. Additionally, Google has integrated Gemini Nano into Android 14 onwards through a service called AI Core. HP rebrands its consumer and commercial PC portfolio. In a bid to streamline its product offerings, HP has announced the rebranding of its consumer and commercial PC portfolios. Following the rebranding initiative, HP's consumer PC lineup will now come with a single prefix Omni, which means that all laptops will carry the OmniBook moniker, while all-in-one desktops will take on the Omni Studio branding. Traditional desktops will be called Omni Desk. HP also announced the evolution of its commercial PC brands to HP EliteBook and HP ProBook. Dell Technologies launches AI-enabled PCs and NVIDIA-powered servers. Dell Technologies has unveiled a range of AI-enabled PCs powered by Qualcomm processors and its latest line of servers compatible with NVIDIA's Blackwell chips. The new server also offers liquid cooling technology as opposed to air cooling, which tends to consume more power. Dell's AI-capable PCs will come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X series chips that feature neural processing units, that is NPUs, dedicated to processing complex AI tasks. Microsoft unveils its new category of Copilot Plus PCs. Microsoft has unveiled a new category of laptops with integrated AI hardware and software features across the Windows 11 operating system branded as Copilot Plus PCs. This initiative was announced by CEO Satya Nadella and underscores a major push by the tech giant to bring the power of artificial intelligence to everyday computing. Despite promoting ARM-based processors for Windows laptops, AI capabilities will be available on laptops with Intel and AMD chips as well. OpenAI pulls out Scarlett Johansson sound-alike Sky voice from ChatGPT. Following an uproar and after users said that it sounded too much like Hollywood actress Scarlett Johansson, OpenAI has pulled the Sky voice from ChatGPT's voice feature. Users who selected Sky on ChatGPT were redirected to another voice called Juniper. The company said that the voice, one of 5 available on ChatGPT, was from an actress. The voices are also part of OpenAI's updated GPT-4o. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.